How to use Clio time and expense tracking properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Clio makes tracking time and expenses easy, but beginners often make mistakes that reduce accuracy and hurt profitability. The first mistake is not setting up proper categories. Time entries and expenses should be categorized by client, matter or project. Incorrect categories lead to reporting errors and billing confusion. Another common error is inconsistent time tracking. Waiting until the end of the day or week to log hours often results in missed entries or inaccurate durations. Track time in real time for accuracy. Many users overlook expense documentation. Receipts, invoices or client approvals should be attached to entries. Missing documentation can delay reimbursement or cause accounting discrepancies. Neglecting billing integration is another pitfall. Time and expenses must align with invoices. If entries are not synced, clients may be underbilled or overbilled, affecting cash flow and trust. Finally, some assume Clio alone handles compliance or reporting. Time and expense tracking must be reviewed periodically to ensure proper accounting, client transparency, and regulatory compliance. To use Clio time and expense tracking properly, set up accurate categories, track time consistently, attach expense documentation, integrate with billing, and review reports regularly. Avoid these mistakes, and your tracking will be precise, compliant, and profitable.